This video tutorial I will explain Netflix sequence diagram. A sequence diagram is like a step-by-step timeline that shows how different parts of the system communicate with each other. In the case of Netflix, the sequence diagram explains how you as a user interact with the Netflix system to stream a video. What are the key components in the sequence diagram? First one is user, the person using the Netflix. Next one is Netflix app or website, the interface where you interact with Netflix. Next one is backend servers. This is the brain of Netflix that handles user data, recommendations, and video request. Next one is recommendation engine, which uses artificial intelligence to suggest what you might like to watch. Next one is content delivery network or CDN, which is nothing but local Netflix servers that store and deliver videos faster. Netflix has its own CDN, which is called Open Connect. Next one is adaptive streaming service, which ensures smooth playback by adjusting video quality based on your internet speed. Here you can see the sequence diagram. Here participants are user, Netflix backend server, recommendation engine, and Open Connect CDN server. Step 1 is you as a user open the Netflix app or visit the Netflix website. The app sends a request to Netflix backend servers to load your account details. The backend server checks your login credentials like email and password, and once verified, the backend server sends back your profile information, including your watch history and preferences. You select your profile to proceed. Step 3 is after you select the profile, the backend system sends request to its recommendation engine. The recommendation engine analyzes your viewing history and preferences using AI and provides a personalized list of movies and TV shows. The app displays this list on your screen. Step 4 is when you click on play on the movie or show, the app sends request to the backend server to fetch the video file. Step 5 is the backend server identifies closest Open Connect CDN server, which is nothing but local Netflix server near to you. Then the CDN server delivers the video file to your device. Step 6 is Netflix begins streaming of the video using adaptive streaming. Based on your internet speed, the system adjusts the video quality in real time. Step 7 is while you are watching, the backend server keeps on monitoring your internet connection to maintain a smooth experience. If your internet speed slows down, the system lowers the quality to avoid buffering. Why this sequence works perfectly for Netflix? Using local CDN servers ensures quick access to videos. The recommendation engine ensures the content matches your preferences. Adaptive streaming minimizes buffering. The backend can handle millions of users at once by connecting to cloud services. Now we will see the conclusion. The Netflix sequence diagram is like a timeline of events that ensures you have smooth, fast, and personalized streaming experience. It begins the moment when you open the app and continues until you are watching your favorite show without interruptions. Netflix seamless communication between its user, backend servers, CDN, and adaptive streaming system ensures you get the best possible service every time. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.